So we're going to go around to the next bay. It's just 5-10 minutes. Because tomorrow is somebody's birthday. Yay!
It's your birthday.
Yeah, somebody. And it looks like, it sounds like some friends that Princess made when we first got here to Jamaica are managers of resorts. And they've got us a day pass tomorrow at Sandals Negril, which is the next bay. So, let's get going. Anchor up. Alright, let's get going.
It's not working. It's not working.
Check. It's on. Maybe it's a dicky foot switch. Yeah. Yeah, it's a foot switch connector. It's all corroded at. Remember in Chesapeake, I couldn't get that solder to stick, and I ended up using crimps, and it's all blue corrosion there now. So that's it. Give me an hour. Should be able to change it. This is the foot switch, and you can see one wire is broken completely. I did try to solder these when I first put them on, but unfortunately the foot switch wire is all corroded and I could not solder it. I did stuff these quick connectors with Vaseline, but it's obviously come out. So I'll take them off, see what I can do this time. It's really not bright enough. Red, black, red.
Vaseline?
No. Wire strippers, they look like wire pliers with a red handle, but they're funny looking. Yep. See, it's all blackened. You see that it's not shiny anymore, it's just blackened and corroded. I mean, it'll still work. Of course, this is not the ideal solution because the same thing's going to happen. We're going to get corrosion with the salt water that comes over the boat when we're at sea. We will, of course, get corrosion, but that's the thing with the boat. It's constantly in need of repair because nothing is ideal. Everything is a compromise. Yeah, all right. Alrighty.
Smells good.
Ready?
Smells like strawberry.
Strawberry. Serious? Just want to take the stress off this wire since it's just dangling there. Try and...
How we can prevent doing that? You should put it inside to...
I need a new switch, B. I need a new switch because these wires are corroded.
So,
pliers, please.
where we can find a
America.
switch?
We'll
End
make
of the year.
this last until we get there. Alright, that should do it.
No, can't.
Please.
I'm holding 2 cameras. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Shut up. Hey crew,
Hi, crew.
we are still in Jamaica. We haven't actually done very much at all. We've made a couple of videos, we've done some maintenance on the boat. And what have we done?
What are you
Nothing.
gonna do today?
Today? I don't know, what's today?
It's his birthday.
Oh. Yeah, I don't want any more. I've had enough. Way too many already. So, some friends that we made when we first arrived here, some Filipinas, they work in the resorts here.
Yeah.
And they've been kind enough to get us a day pass at Sandals here at Negril. We're just about to get in the dinghy and go spend the day at a resort.
Yay.
Apparently including booze and food, yeah?
Yeah.
So, a bit excited. It's not really my thing, but it's a nice change. Hey, it's a
Yeah,
nice change.
and we're so surprised that the price is so expensive. You know?
So apparently, we Googled this up, it's around about the $1,000 a night. What?
Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe if you
So-
booked more far, it will become
Well, we
more
looked a
less.
month ahead, still the same. So, wow, it's crazy. So many people have so much money. What? I don't know. Anyway, we'll show you around when we get there. Should we go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I surrender, all right? I surrender. Tell me you're staying here.
Hi.
Or you staying at Sandals the Grill.
We got a day pass.
Damn it. All right.
Let's stay for a little.
Permission to board. Yeah, alrighty.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jeffrey, photographer.
Jamie.
Jamie.
Me too.
Welcome.
A little bit.
Hey. Yeah, man. So guess what? Security will check you out, and then if you saw, you can see what's going on.
Is this the grill too?
Yeah, man. This is the girl. Hey, that
Thank
one.
you. Nice to
Alrighty.
meet you.
Hey, enjoy.
Thanks. How are you, Bob Marley?
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's just so forced now, isn't it? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Not red horse.
Not red horse. What's that? Ooh.
Ooh.
You like that?
Very nice. Thank you very
Jamaica. We're
much.
from Jamaica.
Told you so, like you.
Excellent.
Oh.
Yeah. Now after drinking this, I'll feel
Take a
like I'm
picture.
full.
Picture. Smile.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Birthday breakfast. Beer and pizza.
There's no
Run.
no run.
I I got rum.
You got rum.
We can drink that.
Butler sweet, they have rum.
You are a butler.
If you have a bottle.
You are a
I'm gonna
butler.
get a bottle of rum for you. But not in a bottle, in a glass. Because if I bring the bottle, where are you going to get that one? You need to pay that.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna get to my bag first and try
Yeah.
to put here.
Nice. So we are in our room. RJ and Kuya Robert is one of the manager in Sandals, and they provide us a room for your birthday.
Yeah, it's not our room, it's my room.
Okay.
And
Can I go to your room?
only if you're offering services.
I can offer you. Oh, happy? And we can take shower. Hot shower. Nice. And free wine, apparently. With this shower.
So long since we've had hotel accommodation. I used to live in hotels. It's been, well, 3 years or so.
This costs $1,000 a night. Wow. Akala ko ba ako una? Sabay ka. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you. This cake is for you. This cake is for you. Just taste it, don't waste it. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jimmy, pick up yourself. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. Have fun. Thank you. Thanks.
Where's your place?
That's for you. Yeah, only for you.
Like I need it.
We can smash your face in it.
Oh,
Happy birthday, bro.
might have to be taken.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Superman punches.
Hey, just
Happy birthday to you.
Come on.
This is your night.
Age is just a number, so don't stop having fun. This is your day.
Happy birthday to you. To you. Come on.
So we just motored past the Negril Caves, which is, I think it's like the #1 tourist attraction on the island. And I'm glad that we saw it for free. I mean, it looks nice, some lovely little houses.
Yeah.
There was even a castle.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
That was nice. But for the guests staying there, they wouldn't even be able to see that there's caves under them.
Yeah.
So I think from the boat is actually the best view. They're only little caves, but it's nice, you know, and nice clear water, a little bit of cliff jumping there at Rick's Cafe. Another touristy spot ticked off the list for free.
For free.
That's how it should be.
And where are we going now?
We'll head down towards Blue Fields. That's where your friends work.
Yeah,
In
Sandals.
South Coast. Yeah. There's a bit of reef that we've got to navigate to get into that resort area. But anyway, that's okay. Should be able to do it. Another beautiful day.
Yeah.
We anchored here off the South Coast. Sandals. South Coast Sandals.
Yes.
Seem to be following these resorts around. That's because our friends work here.
Yeah.
And so they said, come here. So we're going to take them sailing today. But yeah, they've asked their bosses and we can come in for breakfast.
Yeah.
Like the other day, we stuffed ourselves with food. Well, was it?
It's not really, but
It just felt, because we don't normally eat much.
yeah.
Yeah, so. We only had 3 meals in the day, but we normally only have 2. It just felt like afterwards. Anyway, breakfast. See how much damage we can do today. Yeah, we're just waiting because they said, get up, be in here at 7:30, which is okay. But now they're finding out where we can park the dinghy. It's obviously quite dealing with unusual things like dinghies and smelly cruisers. Not used to that.
We're actually the only one. We have another friend, Hoops, but
We know of one other sailboat here.
Yeah.
Cruising boat, that is. Yeah, he's down in Kingston now.
yeah.
But, and he's waiting for a window to leave to go to Dominican Republic. But, yeah, we're the only cruising boat here, as far as we know. I like that.
Oh, you can be our cameraman.
It was nice to spend some time where we would never have the opportunity to go. But what I enjoyed more was the chance to see how the locals live, even if they're from the Philippines.
I got a new dog. You're so big. Oh,
Yes, guys, sir. Go get your toy. Get your toy. Kunin mo yung laruan mo. A good girl.
wow.
Ay, toy, toy.
Woo.
That's the only trick that she knows. And nothing.
Oh,
Even you told her sit, she don't know how to sit.
really? Sit. Just maybe do the trick every day.
No, I think it's too late for her.
Yeah.
She's already 2 years old.
Oh. So this is where they live. Kuya RJ there and Kuya Robert. Where are we going?
Savannah Lamar.
Savannah Lamar.
It's
the
And-
one of the nearest town here.
Yeah, and maybe we'll have some land tour today. And later we'll do sailing.
Excited.
Excited! Wow, look at that. Rich boy.
Yeah, super.
The derivation of Sandals White House, and it was changed
Yeah,
to Sandals House.
it's a small town. They have also a small grocery, a
Mm.
marketplace. You can buy some veggies, meat. A lot of Chinese store.
Wow.
Lot of Chinaman like me and you, Roberto, the Chinaman, Guagua.
Oh no! Can you speak Chinese?
RJ.
Ni hao.
Oh, ni hao.
Oh, it's a Japanese.
Just Japanese. Ni hao man.
Oh, you.
I can do that.
Hello, good afternoon. Thanks for making it. Josie Patties, go ahead and place your order, please.
Hello, hi. I'll be ordering for 3 chicken patties and beef patties.
How
Three.
much beef?
3.
3 chicken, 3 beef.
Yes, but try to separate it in different bags.
Any drink?
Do you want drink?
No.
No. No drinks.
The total is 1,320. Pay at the first window, please.
Thank you. Here. Thank you. Enjoy your day, okay? Yeah.
You wanna eat now?
Try.
Try.
You can have it in your breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have the oven, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Microwave.
no.
Yeah,
we don't.
microwave, yeah. Keep it with you. But thank you to Juicy Patties for giving us extra. The only
Free
we
one.
only.
Mm.
We're heading back
Yeah.
home.
This is a
This
bit.
is good.
It is good?
Mm.
It's a bit like a little bit like a pie in Australia. We
Yes.
have our meat pie.
Very good. Thank you, Kuya Robert.
Ayy, one time like, two time like, ayy, me palm up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later, sauce and dripping. I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ayy, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than the winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach.